I'm one person who truly believes in love at first sight. I'm one person who believes that love exists, and I'm one person who actually believes that true love exists between two souls that care so much about each other, two souls that are ready to fight all the odds for their relationship to exist, and two souls that want to coexist and to live happily ever after. Hey, my name is Kavota Koth. Thank you so much for tuning in Carl's Inspiration and for choosing this platform. If this is the first time you are watching this video, or rather you are tuning in Carl's Inspiration, hey, I'm humbled. Thank you so much for being in this channel. We care about you. In this channel, we talk about so many things, but definitely relationship, self-development, self-growth, empowerment, name them all. So let's get into the video. Having said that, what are 8 things that women do when they genuinely love you? The first thing that a woman will do when she genuinely loves you is that she will introduce you to her family, to her friends, and to anyone who is close to her. Why is that? Why is it so? She does this because she wants you to exist in her circle. She does this because she sees you as someone who is so special to her, someone who is very close to her, and someone that people should know that actually exists in her life. And if she truly loves you, she doesn't see anything wrong with her introducing you because she's so proud of you. And if she truly loves you, she wants to know your family as well. She wants to be part of your friends, and she wants to be part of your circle. Number 2, if a woman truly loves you, she will sacrifice a lot of things for your own happiness. Why am I saying this? There are so many instances where women have sacrificed their own jobs to be housewives just because they truly love their men. There's also instances where women have had to forgo their careers just to be with their men because their men disliked those careers, and they felt that in order for them to be happy, they just needed to sacrifice it, and they actually did it. I mean, if that isn't love, then I don't know what it is. The third thing, if a woman truly loves you, she will fight for you guys. She will fight for your relationship, and she will fight for you as a couple just because she believes that nothing will ever break you guys. Nothing will break your relationship. And if there are instances where or traces of relationship breaking, she will definitely fight for it because she believes in you, she believes in your love, and she honestly and truly loves you. I've seen cases or rather situations whereby a woman really fights her family because she believes in you. She will fight with her parents if they don't approve of the relationship. She'll rather fight with her sisters just to be with you, just to exist with you. This happens only if a woman truly loves you. The fourth thing that a woman will do if she truly loves you is that she respects you. She respects what you say. She respects your feelings, your emotions, and everything that will harm you. Do you know why? Because she honestly and genuinely loves you. And if she loves you, she doesn't disrespect you in front of people. She will not question you in front of people. She'll just support you. She will support you in front of people rather than embarrass you in front of the same people, because she knows that if she does, definitely they will disrespect you, they will diminish you or belittle you, because definitely it will have an impact on you. So she rather supports it and then later on talk about it and let you know whatever you did was wrong, or rather let you know how to handle it the next time. The fifth thing that a woman does when she really loves you is that she cares about the people you love. She cares about your loved ones, and she cares about your family, and would not do anything to hurt you, because she knows if she hurt any one of them, or if she disrespects any one of them, definitely she'll be hurting you. So if a woman truly loves you, and if she doesn't see anything good in maybe your sister, your brother, your mom, she'll rather talk about it and rather let you know than disrespect them, or rather than not care about them at all. Another thing, the sixth thing that a woman does if she honestly loves you, is that she'll be so proud of you, she'll be proud of your accomplishment, and she'll be so happy for you, for what you've managed to achieve as a single person without even her included, because she knows whatever you've achieved is part of your growth, and she wants you to grow rather than feeling jealous. And if you have a woman who is always jealous of your achievement, then I think this is a red flag, and definitely you do not deserve to be with her, because a woman who truly loves you appreciates every achievement or every accomplishment that you've managed to achieve, and is definitely proud of it. The seventh thing that a woman does when she genuinely loves you is that she listens to you. She listens when you speak to her. She listens when you correct her, because she knows how important this is to your relationship. And if you correct her, she will change. She will definitely do whatever makes you all happy, and whatever makes you guys coexist in this relationship, because she knows her actions is very important, and her reaction towards what you've talked about is very important. And that's why she's able to listen whenever you talk to her. She's able to pay attention whenever you talk to her. The eighth thing and the last thing that a woman does when she genuinely and truly loves you is that she creates time for you guys. She'll sacrifice everything in her schedule just to be with you, just because she knows how important time is for you guys. And she'll definitely make sure that there's time left for you guys to spend it together, for you guys just to be alone somewhere, to talk about your issues, to relate on whatever is happening around you, around your environment, because she knows that your relationship needs that time, and she'll always have time for you to go on dates. She'll always have time for you to go on vacations, because she knows that it is important for your relationship and that she really cares about it. So guys, I hope that you've mastered all those 8 things that I've talked about, and I hope that if you guys are in a relationship, I hope that your woman does these things, because that's a true definition of love, and it's a true definition that she really loves you. Having said that, thank you so much for reaching this far. Also, watch out for episode 1 and 2. Bye and be blessed. Take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.